Today, Southern Gardening is in Long Beach, Mississippi, admiring some silver-colored plants. Let's take a look at some of these plants that shine in the landscape. Dusty Miller, a traditional landscape plant, is a hardy perennial admired for its striking silver-gray foliage. Its soft, finely lobed leaves, covered with a dense, silvery-white, felt-like coating, gives the plant a velvety texture and a frosty appearance. Dusty Miller thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-drained soil. Sea holly is a striking perennial plant prized for its unique and architectural appearance. It features stiff, serrated leaves that have a greenish hue. The most distinctive feature of sea holly is its flowers. The blooms are small, silver, blue, or purple, and clustered in tight, cone-shaped heads surrounded by a ruff of spiny bracts. These flower heads resemble thistles and appear on tall, branching stems. This plant thrives in full sun and prefers well-drained soil. Licorice Plant Icicles is another popular ornamental plant celebrated for its striking foliage. This plant is often used in gardens and containers to add texture and contrast due to its unique silvery white leaves. Its elongated, narrow and pointed leaves are covered with fine, soft hairs that give them a silvery white appearance, resembling icicles. The foliage is soft to the touch and very aromatic when crushed. Icicles is hardy in USDA zones 9 to 11. In cooler climates, it is often grown as an annual or used in containers that can be brought indoors during winter. As you can see, plants with silver color can add beauty and charm to your landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.